Hello students, welcome to Phaipedia. In this lecture, I will tell you how to join live classes on Phaipedia application. For this, you have to first download Phaipedia application from the Play Store and register in it. The first interface is like this. After then, you can join the live classes through the notification directly as shown in the video. Click on the notification and you can directly join the live classes. Otherwise, the second option is go to the batches option in the application and you will see machine learning for industrial decision making folder here. If you will not show this folder, please chat and message us in the message box. After then click on this and you will see the interface. Here you can directly click on join now button and directly join to the live classes. Please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.